Happy birthday pa. Ingat ka palagi dyan sa Qatar. Tapos, we love you always. Enjoy ka sa birthday mo.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Franz! Yes, happy birthday. Pila na edad mo, Kuya? Ilan ang edad ni Tito?
Tigulang na ka.
Ala!
Tigulang na.
Yes!
Year na, oo. Kinahanglan, mag-good, ano ka na, good boy.
Good boy, good man.
Good.
Na,
Tuma na lay kulang sa unsa makuha na nato ang 100,000. Tuma na lang. 50 years old na ka. Hapit na ka mag 100. Makuha na nato na.
Wala na 3-in-1 kay bawal na sa 50 years.
Kuya, nag-check in yun diri sa sa waterfront para lang i-greet ka.
Para i-greet lang ang
Para lang
birthday.
i-greet ka.
Oo.
Yes, Kuya Francis, being your sister-in-law, happy birthday, and thank you so much for being such a kaning selfless brother-in-law and also a brother sa imuhang mga igsuon. I hope na you'll have many more birthdays to celebrate and more healthy years para sa imuha, Kuya. God bless always.
Hang na. Happy birthday pa. Or mo, ano mo dito. Happy birthday pa. Gulang na ka and pag-inom og vitamins. Pwede ka mag-inom, gamay lang.
Happy birthday pa. Best wishes. We miss you and we love you.
What's happening? What is that? Happy birthday, woo! Happy birthday. Happy birthday, woo! That dress is not of you.
Hello po, Tito. Happy birthday po. You're turning 50 na. Thank you po for taking care of me when I was little. I appreciate it po. I pray that you have good health and long life and that you will enjoy your 50th birthday.
Yeah! Happy birthday! God bless, God bless.
Hello, nak. Happy birthday. 50 golden birthday ka na ha. Kinahanglan ingat na. No more na 3-in-1. Sigarilyo. Paminsan-minsan lang ang inom. For good health. Nak, happy birthday, nak. God bless. God bless. Love you.
Gob, happy birthday. Kuan, 50 na ka, so dapat siguro magtinarong na ta. Kay tayo learning permi. Pero amping permi, happy birthday. O God bless. Panagsa na lang ta mag-red horse siguro. Ayo Gob.
birthday, Tol. Happy 50th birthday, Kuya. Kuya, salamat sa imuhang love para sa amua, kay Gabi, kay Ron, sa akua. Since baby pa si Gab, Tol, naagit kasi ang tapat. Salamat, Tol. And we pray that you will always have good health, Kuya, and long life. And dili na ta mag-retorse kay masuko si Mama. Happy birthday, Tol. God bless you. We love you, Kuya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tito.
We love you. Take care dia sa